I'm using a little green 4-inch zoom lizard. I just got a BB on the top of a hook here as a jig head, makes less of a splash, doesn't bother them as bad. I cast it up by the rock. That's the only cover in this hole, so that's initially where they would be to ambush. Got him on the lizard.
Okay guys, what I'm using in the creek is just nothing but a little bone puppy. Got it on my little spinning reel, my little light tackle spinning reel, and we're stalking these smallmouth, and that's what you got to do in these tiny creeks. A lot of cut banks from flooded waters that cuts banks out. A lot of rocks, a lot of junk for them to get under. If they feel waves as you're coming up, or sees shadow, or sees you, they're gone. These big smallmouth ain't in these little creeks, and by being stupid. They know how to hide, so you really got to stalk up on them, sneak up on them. So I'm going to be using the puppy, and let's see if we can catch one.
Oh my.
And it came back for it, and I missed it again.
His Chuck made his match.
Good situation.
It's wrapped me up. It's wrapped me up. Fast. Ooh, that's a good one.
In a creek. Oh God.
Let's walk up to that one. That one's a giant. For the creek.
For the creek. It is. That's a good one. Man, it's fighting hard.
Mine came off.
This is trying to wrap me.
You're gonna get in my line. Let me go under.
Creek. Little tiny creek, ambushing smallmouth in it. Guys, this thing fit like a ton of bricks. Really nice smallmouth right here. Got it on the puppy. Gonna release it back in the little creek. It's amazing what fish can be in small creeks. And Brandon's wrapped him up, and he told me to go ahead and cast while he was wrapped up. We're gonna see if we can get his beta loose.
There's always something happening there.
Guys, when wading tiny creeks for bass, and these are very, very tiny creeks, you get a lot of pretty scenery and all that. And when it's 90 degrees, you get a lot of good shade that shades over these creeks. You might have to walk a little bit, but it's well worth it when you come to a nice little deep pocket of water, and either you're using top water or jig, whatever you may be using, and a big smallmouth explodes on it. That's a blast. And it's just something different, stalking bass in creeks like this. And finding them and then having to figure out how to present the bait to catch them. It's a challenge all around, but to me it's fun, and I love fishing every kind of way there is to fish. So let's get on up the creek and see if we can catch some. Guys, when you're wading in a spot like this and you come to a big eddy area, it's really hard not to make waves, but you need to do the best you can if you go creek fishing and not kick up and push waves up through here, because they'll feel it and they'll be shooting under roots, rocks, whatever they can find to hide in. So
I'm done with them wrapping me up and taking me under stuff. I'm bringing him in. Nice little creek smallmouth, green lizard. Gonna let him go.
Question: have you ever felt like you're being stared at?
Yeah.
Through those bushes is a pony.
I see it.
See the pony? Yeah, I see the pony. We got a pony here. What if there's a little pony? I think he's been following us, looking at us.
Feel this.
Pretty neat. Yeah, he's got a big gut on him. Been eating all them shiners in here. Let's see if we can get another one.
You don't know what. It said you're gonna have to be satisfied with me one way or another. Oh my goodness. Look what a sun eye.
Warmouth.
Warmouth. They're all bluegill to me. How does it feel to have a record?
The tiny, tiny little creek. And we're getting ready to get poured on. So we're moving frantically. Try to get another bass.
I know it was gonna happen.
What happened?
I got hung up on it. Did you notice how quiet it got?
I'll get ready to come and put me tornado.
You'll get one. They can't resist. A puppy.
Can't beat a puppy. A puppy.
That's one of the big ones.
Hey, hands down, people. What did I catch on a puppy a couple weeks ago?
22-inch smallmouth.
Catch that video out. Link will be in the description. Same puppy. And I'm working.
Hurry. It's coming.
And I'm getting hooks in my hand. Okay, hand the camera off. Go get it. Well, guys, we're running because we're getting out of here because it is on us. We have got a massive storm. I mean, it's like 6 o'clock in the day. And I'm looking for snakes while I'm talking to you guys. And getting in a Formosa tree with my puppy. But anyway, we're going to get in the car, get in the drive. We got some storms brewing. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. We caught a few bass in the creek. Didn't get to spend as much time as we wanted. Caught some on a lizard, bone puppy. And Brandon had a couple hits on torpedo. Hope you liked the video. I hope you subscribe to the channel, guys, for more fishing, lakes, rivers, streams. And check in the description down below. Got a 22-inch smallmouth. Brandon got a 4-pound largemouth on top water. And hit the big buck track with the fish hooks in it. should be right over here on the left, and become a subscriber to Track 'em KY. And guys, we thank you for watching. Let's head home.